Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 28th December 2018's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 66 points up move at the level of 10,875. Indian markets usually follow SGX Nifty and US markets have done pretty okay for itself. DowJones at 1.14% up at 260.37 points up, and Nasdaq up by 25 points and S&P up by 21 points. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open positive in today's session. Indian markets have reversed from the highs of 10,834-ish levels and afterwards settled at the level of around 10,779 levels. So yesterday there was a downturn from the open, and that's the reason there is a reverse candle. There is a negative candle over here. See, we are actually having a conversion in fast stochastic upwards, saying that we are about to go upwards from here onwards. So there is a huge upturn which is waiting in the market, and we may see the levels of 10,900 or 11,000 in very near future. Let's see what Indian market supports and resistances are. Supports will be around the level of 10,763, 10,750, 10,707, 10,700, 10,681 and 10,650, 10,676 is a very strong support, which is a Fibonacci retracement over here. 10,650, 10,626, 10,600 and 10,563 are the supports we have to watch out for. As resistances, we have to watch out for 10,800, 10,812, 10,850, 10,884 and 10,900, 10,926, 10,931, 10,950 and 11,000 are the resistances we have to watch out for. MACD is flat. There is not much momentum in the market is what MACD is showing, which is very well known because it's December 25th to January 1st will have very low volumes in the market, and you can see over here that there is not much volume which is actually shown over here. And fast stochastic and slow stochastic say that we are not in a overbought zone yet. We can move upwards from here onwards. However, we are not in the oversold zone yet. We can crash from here onwards. Let's see what Indian markets have to offer. It's above the 200-day moving average, so that's a plus for us as of now. If you like this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. There is a session happening tomorrow and day after tomorrow where I'll teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.